Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and chat with you about chalk and talks. I know there's a lot of confusion still about what exactly a chalk and talk is and what goes into it. So I'm just going to do a couple quick snippets here and there of videos so you know what it is. So the first one I want to do here is what am I making in a chalk and talk? Well, the great thing is, you know, most paint parties have a specific thing that they want you to make. Like, you know exactly it's gonna be this design right here, but you're gonna make it your own. Well, that's not how a chalk and talk works. So what'll happen is you will decide, and you don't have to decide beforehand. That's why I have the RSVP, the $20 RSVP. But you will decide what you're going to make when you get there. Now, it can be either you're using one of my surfaces, which you have, as you see, there are all kinds of different surfaces that you can use for a chalk and talk. So you can either use one of my surfaces or one of your own, and then you come to the chalk and talk, and I have a bunch of books of stencils. And if I was thinking, I would have had it out so you could kind of see. But I have like 5, 6, 10 books of stencils that you can choose from. They're silkscreen reusable stencils that you can choose on, that you will use a washable chalk paste to make your design. You'll use a squeegee. It's not painting, it's a squeegeeing it down, kind of like screen printing. So if you have an idea of what it is you want to make before you come, just shoot me a message and say, hey Jen, I want to make something farmhouse. Can you help me put something together? That's what I'm here for, is to help you put your design together. So I just wanted to let you know that that's one of your first steps, is deciding what it is you're going to make. I have all kinds of stencils to choose from. If you want to choose beforehand, you know, just let me know what it is. Look through all my pictures. I have lots of pictures out there that will give you ideas. And the day of, if you have something in mind, just let me know and I will help you find it. So I hope you found this informative, and it will help guide you in doing your chalk and talks. All right, thanks guys.